Hi, hello, you are welcome to this another episode of Learning Yoruba language. Today we want to talk about light and darkness in Yoruba. Light is ìmọ́lẹ̀ àbí iná. Light can be referred to as ìmọ́lẹ̀ àbí iná in Yoruba, depending on the context. Iná yẹn mọ́lẹ̀, the light is bright. Opposite of light is darkness. In Yoruba language, darkness means òkùnkùn. Ó wà níbẹ̀, ibẹ̀ ṣókùnkùn àbí ibẹ̀ mọ́kùnkùn rather. It is very good to walk around in the light, and it could be dangerous to walk in the dark. Light normally signifies hope, joy and happiness, and darkness normally signify sad moments and bad things. Words and opposite, light and darkness. Ìmọ́lẹ̀, light. Ọlọ́run á tan ìmọ́lẹ̀ sínú ayé wa. That prayer means the Lord will shine His light into our lives. Have a great day.